Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys. And today's video, we've got another unboxing for you, and it's a big one.
I think we got a big one here.
Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Nintendo Switch. This is Nintendo's latest attempt at a gaming console, and from what I've heard, from what I've seen, from what I've read, it does a pretty damn good job at it. Now, not that it really matters for the scope of this video, but I also have Skyrim here for it because Skyrim is absolutely my life. So if we take a look on the bottom, it tells us what we get. We get the Switch, a dock, 2 Joy-Cons, 2 shoulder button wrist strap things for the Joy-Cons. You get the controller, charger, an HDMI cable. Not much else on the outside, so that leaves us with the inside. Let's get in. Should probably do it like this. Here is the Switch and Joy-Cons. Left Joy-Con, the blue one, right one in red, or pink, or whatever. This is coral. This is coral. And we have the Switch itself. This is actually a lot smaller than I originally thought it would have been. And just for comparison, this is an iPhone X. So about the same size screen actually. Interesting. So when we lift this up, we'll see what else we get. Get the HDMI cable. It's Nintendo branded, that's cool. We get a beefy USB Type-C charger for it. We get the 2 wrist strap things. And here we get the controller, or the thing that you slide the Joy-Cons into to make a controller. We get some literature. And last but not least, we get bubble wrap. Oh, just kidding, it's inside the bubble wrap. We get the dock. Let me pull it out. Here it is. The Switch slides into there. You've got some USB ports on the side. You lift this back. You get the AC adapter. That must be why it's so beefy. You get a USB 3 port and an HDMI out. I'm going to take this and put this off to the side real quick. Alright. And take the Switch out of the plastic. Put that there. Alrighty. Another box to add to my collection. So here is the Switch. It's fairly small actually. You've got your kickstand here, and this is where you put in your micro SD card. This does have 32 gigabytes of storage stock, but if you've played any AAA titles over the past 5 or 6 years, you'll know that 32 gigabytes is absolutely nothing, and that will disappear extremely quickly. Is this just the way I'm looking at this, or is this like actually that fuzzy? And then we have the dock here, and then this is how you slide it in. And you click it in like that. I have been told by some of my friends that have a Switch, and pretty much everyone on the internet, that if you're going to use the dock at all, to get a tempered glass screen protector because it will scratch the display. We have the Joy-Cons here. You have the right and left, and they can be used like this too. They've got little shoulder buttons there, and you can use them like that. And to slide them onto the Switch, you just slide them in like that. They click, and we'll do it again over here. Slide it into the side, and push until you hear the click, and that actually adds a decent amount of size to it. But it doesn't feel bad. It feels really nice in the hand. And then to take them off, press in the little button right here and slide up. Press in, slide up. And then to slide them into the controller, it's more of the same. Slide it in until it clicks. Slide it in until it clicks. And this doesn't feel all that bad. I mean, I'm a PlayStation guy, so I'm used to having my sticks down here and all my buttons up here. I'm sure people that have Xbox will be familiar with this layout. It's going to take me a while to get used to, but that's fine. Also up top, you've got your power button, your volume down and up. You've got air vent. You got your headphone jack. And then under this flap right here, you have your little game card slot. Obviously your charge port. So let's get this started up. See if I have any battery. And I do. Nintendo Switch. Ooh, it vibrates. That's cool. Alright. English. The Americas. Internet settings. I don't know the password. Give me a second here.
One pair of pants later.
Alright, and now that I've got Wi-Fi, we're going to set up my... I guess we'll go with it. Would you like to connect to later? We'll do that later. Okay, so it's making me take the Joy-Cons out. Okay, and use the left stick and the right controller. And once you've got that figured out, it's going to ask you if you want to set up parental controls. Skip. Setup is complete. Press the home button. And it brings us to the home screen. Alright, I'm going to cut open Skyrim. And we'll see if I can put that in and run that. Alright, and here we have the little tiny game. Apparently these taste great if you lick them, so I highly recommend you do that. And then to put it in, you peel that back, slide that in, instantly picks it up. Alright, well, I'm going to charge this and update it. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and while you're down there, leave a comment. Do you have a Switch? Do you like it? Do you plan on getting one? All that good stuff, let me know down below. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video guys, I'll see you later. Goodbye.